Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious stew egg sauce. This versatile dish is perfect for any meal. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready. You will need about 6 to 8 large eggs, 2 medium-sized tomatoes, 1 large onion, and 1 bell pepper. Also, prepare 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, a quarter cup of cooking oil, and your favorite spices like salt, pepper, and a pinch of curry powder. Now let's get our ingredients prepped. Begin by boiling your eggs. Place them in a pot of cold water, bring to a boil, and cook for approximately 10 minutes. Once cooked, cool them, peel, and you can lightly fry them for a golden exterior if desired. Next, finely chop your 2 tomatoes, 1 onion, and 1 bell pepper. Uniform pieces ensure even cooking and a smooth sauce texture. With your ingredients ready, it's time to build the sauce. Heat about 1/4 cup of cooking oil in a pot over medium heat. Add the chopped onions and bell peppers, sautéing for 5 to 7 minutes until they are tender and aromatic. Stir in the 2 tablespoons of tomato paste and the chopped tomatoes. Let this simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld and the sauce to thicken beautifully. Finally, let's bring it all together. Once your sauce has reached a lovely consistency, gently place the peeled, boiled eggs into the pot. Stir them in carefully, ensuring they are well coated with the rich sauce. Allow it to simmer for another 3 to 5 minutes, letting the eggs absorb the wonderful flavors. This delicious stew egg sauce is best served warm, alongside fluffy white rice, boiled yam, or fried plantains. Enjoy your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.